This alarm, this remote, this a set. One alarm with two remotes. One alarm can connect with up to 8 pieces of remotes. One remote can connect with unlimited of alarms. It has two ways for the installation. You can use dual adhesive stickers. Just hide it under the bike seat or motorcycle seat. Also, you can use this zip tie to tie it firmly on the bar of the bikes. On the bar of the bike. Also, it is approved by CE rules, UKCAIC. This it is powered by three pieces of AAA battery, alkaline battery. Lifespan lasts for 4 to 8 months. This is also powered by alkaline battery. Lifespan for 1 year, 12 months. If the batteries run out, you can replace it from here for the button. There's a screw. You can use the screwdriver to loosen this battery. And use triangle paint to separate the cover. You can see there are three pieces of alkaline batteries. These batteries are easy to be found in your local market. If it runs out, you can buy easily. If you don't know what type of the battery, you can see it has the AAA here. You can buy the same battery types. We recommend the alkaline battery, newly branded battery. If please don't mix with the old batteries and new batteries or different brands batteries. If you hear three beeps, it means the batteries are good quality and the alarm are in normal state. It can be used normally. If the battery are lower power, it will have the lower power battery indication like do do do. If you find this the remote, if you find there's no blue light for this circle, it means there's the battery runs out. Hello friend, welcome to our live stream. We are showing the product bike alarm. with the screwdrivers to tighten it firmly. Okay, now it can work. This alarm mode. 2-second warning sound. If it is triggered again, then it will alarm last for 30 seconds. You can do settings on this remote, like arm, disarm, and different times. Also by adding new remote. This, the volume sound is very high, it's around 130 dB, and this is testing based on the 30 centimeter distance. If it tested within 0 centimeter, then it is more than 130 dB. It's very loud. Also, it has unique function, SOS function. When you are riding the bike, if the bike is falling down, it will automatically trigger the SOS function. You can have different languages for the use menu and different box design with logos or different colors or pictures.